up the dope track. Up the dope track. What the fuck is that?